Act also has a powerful marketing automation module, which enables you to align your sales and marketing efforts together. AMA turns digital marketing engagement into prioritized sales activities in real time. You can design and automate response-driven nurture campaigns to lead your prospects and customers down highly personalized paths. You can create professional, mobile-friendly emails, newsletters, and landing pages. There's over 170 sample templates within Act, or you can import your own existing templates into the interactive HTML template editor. There's no coding or design skills required. You can just simply use the drag and drop interface.